Hello dynamic learners, welcome to Facebook conversion server-side tracking A to Z full integration. This is our part 4 video. In this video I will show you how to create Facebook purchase event. In previous video we have already integrated page view content, add to cart and checkout event. In this video we will create a purchase event. So at first we will go to the preview mode of Google Tag Manager. Then connect. It's loading. Sometimes it takes time to connect the debug mode. It's already connected. Now continue. So this is our website, and now we will create and purchase event. Like this is our product. When we will click to the product, then the view content event will be fire. The our page view event already fire. Viewer team event will fire, and this is our if you go to the test event, then we will do. So now we will create an add to cart. So our add to cart event will fire in there. So this is our add to cart in there. Now this we will create a checkout. After a few moments and later the checkout event will be fired also. Begin checkout. Our checkout event is fired, and this is insert checkout in there. Facebook event with dynamic value. Now we will create a purchase. So this is our hold information, and now place order. So we have already purchased a product. Then in debug mode we will see that the purchase event in fire in there. So this is our will be trigger. At first we will create a trigger. Trigger event purchase FB purchase trigger and save. So if we show the data layer, we will show that there is a currency and in there and the value, but the item event is include this is array. So we have to create a extra variable to collect full information as array. So we have to integrate these variables. This is for array variables. So at first we will create track the value event. Okay, so at first we have to create the variable. The variable names will be, so the variable names will be DLP versus value, and it will be data layer variables, and the e-commerce value. We have already created in a sheet with the value. This is our e-commerce, like e-commerce dot value. So we will save it. Then we will create another variables DLBB purchase product variables and it will be e-commerce dot items. This is e-commerce and this is items. Okay, so now save it. We have to create another one new variables. The variable names will be and this will be custom JavaScript. So custom JavaScript variable, custom JavaScript variables, and the code will be save. Okay, perfect. Now we will create and trigger tags. Tag, this is our Facebook pixel. We have already created a Facebook pixel, so there is Facebook pixel, and the event will be purchase. So we have to objective property. So the property will name content type is a product currency, the currency event we have created in before. This is our currency, so this is our new value event will be DLBB purchase product. This is will be DLBB purchase DLBB purchase hello. This is content ID. This is our JavaScript. Okay, so this will be trigger, DLBB purchase trigger. The tag name will be tag FB purchase and save, and we will the submit button click and published. So our all event track is complete. Now we will go to the preview mode and continue. So we will purchase again, create purchase. This is product, to cart, checkout, and finally the purchase. So now the place order, so okay, now we are watching that the purchase event is already fired, and this is an event manager. Oh, fantastic, the purchase event has already come in with dynamic value. If we was in there, the purchase event will be already, this is product as content. If we go to the our data layers, then we will variables, the purchase product is with array, the full items, the purchase price, product ID, currency, product name. So this is a value. So actually this is perfectly working. So that's it. for today. In the next video we will create GTM server side with step server side we will connect. So that's it for today. Stay connected for the next video. Okay, thank you.